Problem number 5. A baseball player got 10 hits and 39 times at bat. What percent of his times at bat did he get a hit? Round to the nearest percent. Well, he got 10 hits in 39 at bat equals x out of 100. That's just what percent is the 1039s. I don't see anything nice I can do here. Please know that you cannot simplify diagonally. You can only simplify vertically or horizontally. The simplifying diagonally idea is when you have a multiplication expression. That's a common error I see sometimes. So let's not make that error. I'm going to set up a cross product equation because I don't see any nice scale factors here. 10 multiplied by 100 equals 39 multiplied by x. 1000 equals 39x. I don't want to know what 39x is. I want to know what x is. So I divide by 39 to find 1x, which is x. And by property of equality, I have to do that on the other side of the equation as well. 1000 divided by 39. There are 0 39s in 1. There are 0 39s in 10. There are not quite 3 39s in 100 because I know 33 tripled is 99, but I can't get 3 of them. 2 of them will work. 2 39s is 78. When I do this subtraction, I don't do that traditional algorithm thing that most of you do. I just say, what would I add to 78 to give me 100? I would need to add 20 to get to 98 and 2 more to get to 100. So my difference is 22. Bring down the 0. Now, when I want to think about how many 39s is in 220, I don't think about 39, I think about 40. Because I know 5 40s is 200. So 5 39s is going to get me pretty close to 220. 5 40s is 200, but this is 1 less than 40. So I should get 5 less than the 200, or 195. Now, what would I add to 195 to give me 220? 5 to get to 200 and 20 more to get to 220. So my difference is 25. I will reveal the 0 in the tens place that was always there, just wasn't showing. And then I will line up my decimal and my quotient. And the work we did on the last one will help guide us on this next one, because if I go 40 more, 39-ish more, I'm going to be fine. So I'm going to do 6 39s. I'm just going to think about 6 40s as 240, but take away 6 from that, so 234. It gives me a difference now of 16. I don't need to keep going like this, because if I'm rounding to the nearest percent, I just needed to know how many tenths I have. I needed to know how many tenths so I could decide whether my percent is closer to 25% or 26%. And since the number in the tenths place is 5 or more, I'm closer to 26% than 25%, and so my answer is 26%. And when I look at 10 out of 39, that's pretty close to a fourth of the times at bat, which would be 25%, so I'm very happy with that answer. And crossing it out below.